Come on, B. Add some value, bro. Say only 5 epochs. It'd be better if you use 15 epochs because we all want to learn, dude. We all want to learn. Local mode. Local mode, bruh. He got a 4090. I don't think I got a 4090. I got A100s. Or I got a 6000. A6000. Soniac said, I did over 400% in 1 month. Next month lost everything. Damn. I was so proud. I was so excited for you, dude. I was so excited. He said put 5K epochs. Damn, dude. Maybe I'll try that. Maybe I'll try that. But just want to get a little testy in here. Make sure it looks good. Exactly right, Moondev. Math is simple. 5K versus 500K is 100x faster. Nice. Let me implement the local mode system right now. Now update the print statement to show local mode status. What stocks do I recommend? YOU for sure. Now add data sampling logic. Now update the model architecture to use the scaled constants. Now update the main function to use the feature selection. Perfect, Moon. Local mode is now implemented. What local mode does? 1% of your 17 million is much smaller. 100x faster processing. Model simplification. It goes ahead and uses smaller features and LSTM units. Faster training and less memory. Training speed up 5 epochs. Early stopping at 3 patients versus 10. Expected time 15 to 30 minutes versus 25 hours. Wow, dude. Wow, 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 wow. That's a big difference, B. That's a very, very big difference. Your local tests, instead of 25 hours, you'll get in 20 minutes to validate. Data pipeline works. Features are reasonable. Model architecture is sound. Instead of 25 hours, you'll get in 20 minutes. That's nice. Then I just flip it to false when I go ahead and run it in the cloud. This is the README. This is the LSTM liquidations. Okay, local mode is true. Local mode switch on. Change to false for full cloud runs. Set to false for production runs. Training constant. Scaled by local mode. Epochs equals 5. Else 25. Batch size 32 if local mode. Else 64. Learning rate is 0.001. Early stoppage patience is 3 if local mode. Else 10. LR reduced patience is 2 if local mode, else 5. Okay, min learning rate 1E minus 7. 1.0 gradient clip norm. Data sample fraction 0.01. Please explain these. Please explain these constants here. Oh, like what they do fundamentally. I don't know if that's, I don't know if you use the word like that, fundamentally like that, but you know. Yeah, I just don't know how to speak English fully, so I be throwing in random words like fundamentally, unequivocally, in regards, you know, things like that. I don't actually know the word, I just say it because I've heard it. Don't know if I like, so yeah, I just say words sometimes. Just if I heard it like on a video or somebody smart talking about some big words like that, like I'll just throw it in there. You gotta just try it, you know? What happens? What happens when you shoot more, dude? You score. Like every once in a while, you be like, damn, that dude is smart. And it's like, nah, dude, I just listen to books all day. I listen to people that are smarter than me and then just find cool things that I think are cool, and then I just spew it back out. Just spewing in, spewing out, dude. That's all it is. Research backed as implement, dude. Research, research, research. That's all we are, dude. That's all we are. That's all we are, dude. You are what you put in. You are what you put in. What you surround yourself with, right? Perfect question, Moon. Let me break down exactly what each constant controls in your LSTM liquidation predictor. Mode control, local mode equals true. What it does, master switch that scales everything down for faster testing. Okay, nice. Lets you test in 20 minutes instead of 25 hours. And then what kind of things are we going to be looking for on this computer fast test in order to indicate that this is a good model to bring to the Skylord, you know, the super speedy Lambda cloud setup we're going to use? I just got so many questions. What it does, how many times the model sees the entire data set. So the epochs, yes. How many times it sees the entire data set. Think of it as reading a book 5 times versus 25 times to learn it. Local, quick scan to see if